We've already said that the foundations are what you build the rest of your continuous improvement system on. Now let's try to make that as real as possible. How do you use the building blocks? From the Why Be Better module, you'll recall that problem solving is in the center of everything. Without problem solving, we can't sustain our improvement. One way to make the foundation building blocks real is to look for their absence as a root cause and using them as countermeasures. Let me explain. Let's say that after you've used the problem-solving process and you're almost near the root cause of the problem, you realize that no one was checking to see if the target condition was being met. Let's use our earlier example, discharges on a nursing unit by 2 p.m. Every day or so, you miss your target. Finally, you realize that even though you have a target, no one is really checking it. Your pdCA cycle is broken. Your root cause is a shunted or broken pdCA cycle. Your countermeasure is to make sure the pdCA cycle is followed for that target. You plan for someone to check the target daily. That's using roles and responsibilities as a countermeasure. You realize that the best way to check is to make the target visual so you can see the problem occurring. That's using visual management as a countermeasure. Use missing foundations as root causes or applying them as countermeasures. That's the best way to incorporate them into your daily operations.